Today we're gonna show you South Indian style fish fry using banana leaves. This is my mom's special. We have to cut the fish and clean it with lemon and then cut small little slits on the fish. Now we are going to make the coating for the fish to make it taste better. Now we apply it on the fish. Put it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. Now we are going to make the gravy to go with the fried fish. First, we have to heat the banana leaves. Then we put the gravy we made for the fried fish on top. Then we have to take the fried fish and put it in the banana leaves. Then you have to wrap it around with some tomatoes and onions. Then we wrap the banana leaves with the tin foil and put it in the oven for 5 more minutes. Now you could try your fried fish and enjoy it at home.
That's nice.